You can make money online doing almost anything, even singing happy birthday. What am I talking about? Let me show you. I know you're saying I can make money singing happy birthday. She's crazy. What is she talking about? But I am not crazy. So many of my students have started off doing this just to get their feet wet in the freelancing world and to see if it was really possible to make money singing happy birthday. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to my favorite site for freelancers, Fiverr.com. And while we're on Fiverr, let me type right up into that search bar, sing happy birthday. The first thing I want to do is to see if other people are making money doing this. And I know they are because a ton of my students have started off doing it. A lot of them aren't doing it anymore, but they were like, if I can make money singing happy birthday and I can't sing, I can make money doing anything. So when you come onto this page, you can see that there are people doing it. This guy right here from Colombia, he sings happy birthday with voices. Somebody from the UK, someone from the Ukraine with a ukulele, the US, Spain. I'm also showing you that this is something that you could do from anywhere in the world. The Cook Islands. Where is the Cook Islands? This guy has 1,000, look right here, 1,190 orders singing happy birthday from the Cook Islands. So let me go ahead and check him out actually. So he says, I will sing a personalized birthday song with my ukulele at the beach. And he's charging $25 to do it. And he'll get it back to me in 3 days. So let me see what he's done for some other people. I'm scrolling through his portfolio, which shows what he has done for other people. So here we go right here. Let's listen to him here.
The song's for you. Happy birthday to you. This is your special day. This is your special day. Hey, yeah. Happy.
Okay. I actually like that. I thought he was pretty good. I can see, sending that to a friend, doing that for a friend, and they would actually like it. So let's keep going. Here's someone from Canada, someone from Thailand. Sing happy birthday or another song or a message in the shower. It's the second person I've seen that's singing in the shower. This means that you don't even have to have a great background and you can make money doing something you already have to do every day anyway, which is showering. And you probably sing in the shower. Let's go ahead and see what this guy has to offer.
Hope this sings down. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Travis.
Okay, now I have officially shown you that you can make money doing anything, right? 1,143 orders. Oh, geez. All right. Let's go to Bangladesh, and then I want to go to Jamaica. So here we go in Bangladesh. Let's see.
Happy birthday, African Lord.
I don't even know what that is.
We are separated at birth.
I don't know what that is, but they have 1,163 orders. What is that? Oh yeah, we said we're gonna go to Jamaica. All right, let's see what Sledge is doing. I'll sing a happy birthday song in a Jamaican accent. Now I've got hope right here. Let's see.
Yeah, man, wagwan. You see, if you look to tell somebody happy birthday in a special way, we write a custom happy birthday song and do it for you in an authentic Jamaican accent. Not only that, we do birthday shout outs and announcements and do the thing and make it sound Iron Man. Listen this. Me say Ira, have a happy, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, yo. Yeah, man, say Ira, have a happy, 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 happy birthday. Yes, no. Oh, yo. Aye, and he said, rock to the left because it's time to celebrate. Blow out your candles and eat your cake. And he said, you know what, be nice, this is the place. And he said, put a smile on your face. And he said, shake your body and rock to the right. You are going to enjoy your party tonight. Because we come to have fun until morning. Come your man, you know what the team.
Finally, finally, someone who is doing it right. Yes, that was a good one. But just to show you, you can make money online doing practically anything, even singing happy birthday. I hope that this video has motivated you to say, you know what, it is time for me to get my butt in gear and to just take a chance with something. Just do something. Go to Fiverr and type in your idea and see what other people are doing that you could make money with. If these people can make money singing happy birthday in the shower, whatever, right? You can make money doing what you're passionate about, what you are excited about, or just have a little bit of fun. This is not something you have to do forever. I'm not saying go out and get paid to sing happy birthday. I'm just showing you the possibilities. Do you see them? Do you see them? Anyway, thanks for being with me here on this really quick training. Hope you had some fun. Happy birthday when it comes.